Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to find your WIX sitemap and submit it to Google. So let's go to the browser first. Open a browser and paste your URL here. You have to paste your website URL. Then you have to click on slash. Then right here sitemap.xml. Now you have to click on enter. After click on enter, you'll find this sitemap here. After that, you have to go to Google Search Console. Google Search Console. Click on this and you can see the first option, Google Search Console. Click on this again and you have to click on Start Now. Then you will find here sitemaps. Click on sitemaps. Then you can see here the URL. You have to write here just sitemap.xml. Now you have to click on submit. After click on submit, your sitemap will be submitted in Google. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.